I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside.
Hi friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Alicia Lisa, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how I got this colorful blue cut crease with this stylish wing. If you would like to see how I got this, please keep watching. I'm going in with the James Charles palette, and I'm using this purple, and I'm using that on my upper lid.
I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional, I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things are starting.
I'm going in with this orange, and I'll be putting that right on top of the purple, and I'll just be blending those two colors together.
Rather see my heart turn to chrome, rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I'll miss you.
I'm going in with this yellow next, and I'll be putting that right on the brow bone, and I'm just going to be blending all three colors together so that it doesn't look too harsh.
PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas wrong.
I'm going to cut the crease using my Elegil eyeshadow primer, and I'm just doing like a full cut crease, and I'll just be blending that out.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas wrong. Gotta watch your time, this is flying right.
I'm going in with this light blue and then the darker blue right beneath it, and I'll just be blending those two blues together. So I'll be starting with the lighter blue to the front, and then I'll be using the darker blue right next to it, and I'll just be blending those two together and making it a lot more seamless and a little less harsh, so I'll get like a kind of ombre effect, so it's lighter into darker blue. I'm just putting on some black eyeliner on my lower lash line.
Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm going in with this white, and I just want to put that to the front of my eye just to brighten it up just a little bit. Okay, so onto the wing. I'm starting with a regular wing, and then I'm making an extra line right on top of the cut crease, and I'll be doing like a triangle shape, and then I'll be bringing it downwards. You'll get to see in the video exactly, because I didn't speed it up too much, and I'm just filling it in. And yeah, sorry if it's not in focus, I'll be doing it twice so you get to see it on the other eye, but it's really simple and easy.
Started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome, rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I'll miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside a crib.
So I switched to my contact lenses. I actually forgot to put them on in the beginning of the video, but I'll be showing you guys how I got this lip. I'm using my eyebrow pencil. Everything will be in the description box. And then I will be going in with my concealer that I use also on my eyebrows to create this kind of chocolate ombre lips that I see the girlies are creating, and I just wanted to try it for the first time. And I'll be setting it with some setting powder, you know, because it's concealer and I don't want it to be watery. And yeah, so this is the final look.
All the niggas wrong. Gotta watch your time, this is flying right. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.